Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging the furnace with measured iron scrap and recycled stainless, then add precise chromium and nickel to target the alloy. Once the charge is in, strike the electric arc and raise temperature quickly. The arc melts the metal and burns off contaminants. Make sure to monitor weight and initial composition with a quick spectrometer check so you can correct additions. This first step sets chemistry and energy input. Get it right, and downstream refining becomes predictable and efficient. Once the melt is fluid, you refine by blowing oxygen to strip carbon and oxidize impurities. This controls corrosion resistance later. After decarburization, add deoxidizers and ferroalloys to correct oxygen and sulfur levels, and then add chromium, nickel, and other elements to hit the grade. Make sure to stir and homogenize in the ladle while holding temperature around 1600 to 1650 degrees Celsius so chemistry evens out. You'll sample repeatedly. Adjust small additions rather than large swings to avoid turbulence. You cast the refined melt into billets or slabs using continuous casting, controlling cooling rates to prevent segregation. Once solidified, hot roll to break down structure, then anneal and cold roll to final thickness while monitoring grain structure and surface finish. After forming, pickle and passivate to remove scale and restore chromium-rich surface. Finally, cut to length and run mechanical plus corrosion tests. If pitting or wrong hardness appears, re-anneal and repassivate. This
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.